Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. 4-digit numbers. He is Arjun. Arjun wants to buy a new mobile, so that he went to a mobile accessories shop to buy a new mobile. Arjun asked the shopkeeper to show the mobiles. Shopkeeper shown different models of mobiles. Among those mobiles, Arjun selected 2 mobiles and their prices are 8,946 and 9,864 rupees. Arjun was confused because the digits in the numbers are same. So, he is unable to find which of the following price is low. So that he wants to know the rules for comparing numbers. Arjun went back home. After that, Arjun met his friend Arya. Arjun asked Arya, "How do we compare numbers?" Arya said, "It is quite easy if you follow these simple rules." Before going to rules, we have to recall about less than, greater than and equal to. Arya explained a story to Arjun. What is the story? Eli the alligator. See this alligator, Arjun? His name is Eli. Eli loves to eat always big number. Here the numbers are 6 and 9. Say, Arjun, which number will Eli likes to eat? Arjun says 9. Yes, right. Eli likes to eat 9 because Eli eat always big number. Observe the numbers 8 and 3, Arjun. In these numbers, which number will Eli likes to eat? Yes, right. Eli likes to eat 8 because Eli eats always big number. In math, we use symbols for comparing numbers. Those are greater than, less than and equal to. Let us see this image. Open ends goes to the biggest number like Eli's mouth. See these numbers 7 and 7. In these numbers, which one is big? Arjun said both are equal. So, for that, we use the symbol that is equal to. Did you understand about the symbols for comparing, Arjun? Yes, Arya, I understood. Now, let us start. Rules for comparing numbers. Rule 1. See the condition for Rule 1. Whenever we compare 2 numbers with different number of digits, the number with more number of digits is greater. See one example. Here 2 numbers are there. One is 8,346 and another one is 843. In these 2 numbers, 8,346 is 4-digit number and 843 is 3-digit number. So, according to rule 1, the number with more number of digits is greater. So, here 8,346 is greater number than 843. Again check once. See first number 8,346, that is 4-digit number. Next 843 43. That is 3-digit number. Which has more number of digits here? Check once, children. Yes, very good. That is 8346. So, we use the symbol greater than. See another example for rule 1 and 2840. Here 16 is 2-digit number and 2840 is 4-digit number. Tell children, here 2-digit number big or 4-digit number big? Yes, correct. According to rule 1, which number has more number of digits is greater. So, 2840 is greater number. For that, we use less than symbol. Because of open ends shows big number. See another example for rule 1. Here 456 and 6785. Which number is greater number? Yes, right. 6785 is greater number. So, what we say? 456 is less than 6785. Say with me. 456 is less than 6785. See next one. Comparing these two numbers, 5678 is greater number. So that we say 5678 is greater than 786. Now, let us see rule 2. Whenever we compare two same numbers, they are always equal. Once see the example. Here two numbers are there, 46 and 46. Both two numbers are same. According to rule 2, two numbers are same. What is the rule 2? Once again, check once. Whenever we compare two same numbers, they are always equal. So, 46 equal to 46. See some more examples. 347 equal to 347. 934 equal to 934. Once recall the rule 2. What is that? Whenever we compare two same numbers, they are always equal. Rule 3. What is the condition for rule 3? Whenever we compare two different numbers with same number of digits, first we should compare the digits which are in the highest place. Then the number with the greatest digit is great. Examples for rule 3. Here 89 and 72. 89 and 72 are two-digit numbers. Here number of digits are same. The two are two-digit numbers. That's why number of digits are same. But numbers are not same. That means in 89 the digits are 8 and 9. In 72 the digits are 7 and 2. So 89 and 72 are not equal. According to rule 3, the digits which are in the greatest place, then the number with the greatest digit is greater. Check here 89 and 72. The greatest place is tens. So here 89 tens place number is 8 and 72 tens place number is 7. Comparing that 7 and 8 is greater number. That's why 89 is greater number. Say that 89 is greater than 72. Similarly, 434 and 760. According to rule 3, highest place is hundreds. In 434 and the digit in hundreds place is 4. And 760 the digit in hundreds place is 7. Here 4 less than 7. So 434 is also less than 760. This one we read as 434 less than 760. See the another example. 8999 and 9000. Comparing these two numbers, which number is greater number? Say once. Very good. 9000 is greater number. So, we use the symbol of less than. That is 8999 less than 9000. So, we read as 8999 less than 9000. Rule 4. Let us see the condition for Rule 4. While comparing two different numbers with same number of digits, if the digits at the highest place are same, then go to the next highest place and continue this till we compare the given numbers. See the examples for Rule 4. Here two numbers are there. What are the numbers? 9352 and 9870. Compare the two numbers 9352 and 9870. Here, as the digits in the thousands places are same, let us compare the digits in the hundreds place. Here 9352, which digit in hundreds place? Say children. Yes, very good. That is 3. In 9870, which digit is in hundreds place? Yes, that is 8. So, 3 less than 8. That's why 9352 is less than 9870. Let us do some more examples. See here, 4387 and 4108. In the two numbers, which number is greater number? Yes, that is 4387. So, we use greater than. Next, see the numbers 2920 and 2986. Here, thousands place and hundreds place digits are same. So, we compare tens place digits. In tens place digits are 2 and 8. Here, 8 is bigger number. So, 2986 is greater number. So that we use less than. Say once, 2920 less than 2986. Let us do some exercises. See here, 1859 and 2698. In the two numbers, which number is biggest number? Yes, very good. That is 2698. For that, we use the symbol less than. See here, 1991 and 9998. In these two numbers, which number is greater number? Yes, right. That is 9998. So, 1991 less than 9998. Next, 6291 734. Here 6291 is 4-digit number, 734 is 3-digit number. So 6291 greater than 734. See these two numbers are same. So here we use equal to. Next, 9999 and 9900. Here 9999 is bigger number. So we use greater than. 9999 greater than 9900. Next, 219 and 2196. In these two numbers, which number is bigger number? Say children. Yes, right. That is 2196. Because of 2196 is 4-digit number. So 219 is less than 2196. Did you understand, Arjun? How to compare numbers? Arjun said, yes, I understood. Arjun, by using these rules, we have to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Again, Arjun was confused. Ascending order and descending order. What is that, Arya? And how can we form the numbers in ascending order and descending order? See this image, Arjun. Here, 4 different sizes of teddy bears are there. The following teddy bears are arranged in smallest to biggest. So, this arrangement we called as ascending order. That means numbers or objects which are arranging in smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Say again, numbers or objects which are arranging in smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Let us see one example. Observe the numbers, Arjun. See here, 608, 814, 384 and 743. These 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. According to rule 3, digits which are in the highest place, then the number with the greatest digit is greater. Observe the digits in hundreds place. Those are 6, 8, 3 and 7. In these 4 digits, which digit is small? That is 3. Next, go through the ascending order for that digits. Then after, write the ascending order to given numbers. Now, arrange the numbers in ascending order. First one is 384. Next, 608. After, 743. And last, 814. See next example. Observe the numbers here. 824, 876, 894 and 850. These 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. See here. Here, hundreds place digits are same. That is 8. According to rule 4, while comparing two different numbers with same number of digits, if the digit at the highest place are Same. Then go to the next highest place. Did you arrange the numbers in ascending order, Arjun? Arjun said, okay. 824. Here, tens place digit is 2. Next, 850. Here, tens place digit is 5. Next, 876. Here, tens place digit is 7. Last, 894. Here, tens place digit is 9. Very good, Arjun. You done good job. Next, see this image, Arjun. The following teddy bears are arranged in biggest to smallest. So, this arrangement we called as descending order. See the definition for descending order. Numbers are objects which are arranging biggest to smallest is called descending order. Say again. Numbers are objects which are arranging biggest to smallest is called descending order. See the example for descending order. See the numbers are 4326, 25, 9 and 781. Check the number of digits in each number. See, first one 4326. It is 4-digit number. Next 25. 25 is 2-digit number. Next 9. 9 is 1-digit number. And last 781. That is 3-digit number. According to rule 1, comparing two or more numbers with different number of digits, the number with the more number of digits is greater. Now say the answer, Arjun. Among the following numbers, 4326 is biggest number because 4326 is 4-digit number. After that, 781 is bigger number. After that, next number is 25 and last number is 9. Let us see the another example for descending order. See, Arjun, what are the numbers here? 3421 and 4690 and 5342, 3360. Arjun, in these numbers, what is the biggest number? Yes, very good. That is 5324. What is the next bigger number, Arjun? Yes, that is 4690. Then after 3421, at last 3360. Very good, Arjun. Now it is time for practice. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Numbers are 3456, 7854, 8960 and 2314. Arrange in ascending order. First one is 2314. Next 3456. After 7854. Last 8960. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. See the numbers here. 5634, 7940, 6427 and last 9864. Arjun, are you ready? Descending order means arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Shall we start, Arjun? Right. What is the biggest number here? Yes, right. That is 9864. Next, 7940. After 6427 and last 5634. Now it is time to points remember. See the symbol for greater than. Next see less than. It is equal to. Let's recap the rules for comparing numbers. Rule 1. Whenever we compare two numbers with different number of digits, the number with more number of digits is greater. Rule 2. Whenever we compare two same numbers, they are always equal. Rule 3. Whenever we compare two different numbers with same number of digits, first we should compare the digits which are in the highest place. Then the number with the greatest digit is greater. While comparing two different numbers with same number of digits, if the digits at the highest places are same, then go to the next highest place. Continue this till we compare the given numbers. Now it's time for ascending order and descending order. Ascending order. Numbers or objects which are arranging in smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Descending order. Numbers or objects which are arranging biggest to smallest is called descending order. Thank you, Arya. Now I understood how to compare numbers.